Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn database. So first of all, I am going to explain introduction to database. Objectives: understanding what is a database, learning about manual database and electronic database, finally comparing manual database and electronic database. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of related data from which you can easily retrieve and use data. Databases are basically containers for data. In our day-to-day life, we come across several databases. In our home, phone books, address books, birthday books, diaries are some of the examples. Then in school, to record student information such as name, address and parent details, and also to record teachers information such as again name, address, qualifications, then again salary details. So then again, if we talk about in offices, to record customer details, employee details, product details. So we can talk about many databases according to place and purpose. There are many databases. Okay, now we are going to talk about the purpose of the database. Databases are used to store data in relation to a particular purpose for maintaining and accessing data systematically and easily. So an example, student information on a school database, then again product information on a supermarket database, then if we take hospital database, patient information on a hospital database. So databases are used to overcome following difficulties: to reduce data duplication and to search records easily and to overcome security issues. What is a manual database? A manual database is a paper-based record keeping system that consists of paper records, folders and filing cabinets or storage boxes. It is not computerized. Manual databases are still used in some small libraries. A telephone directory, an address book, a birthday book, a diary, the yellow pages are some examples for manual databases. So when we talk about disadvantages of manual database, a record can be repeated in different places, in different forms. So simply this is we can call as data duplication or data redundancy, and it's difficult to search for records. Then lack of security. Paper document filing can be less secure than electronic filing systems. Anyone can access data and change them. And limited data storage. We could only write limited information on papers or books, so we can only store limited data. Then difficult to make changes. Changes have to be done manually. So those are the main disadvantages of manual databases. What is an electronic database? So an electronic database is one that is computerized and can be accessed or changed using computer applications. So by looking at this picture also you can gain a small information how the manual database is maintained and how the electronic database is maintained. So we are going to discuss in deeply. Comparing manual and electronic database, as I said earlier, so we are going to compare in here. So in manual database we have only limited data storage, or we can store only limited data, but in electronic database we can store large amount of data. But in manual database, it may take long time to search through all the records, but it's not like that in electronic database. It's very fast in finding specific records. Then again, when we compare manual, more people can interact in manual databases. But when it comes to electronic database, it's not like that. By using less people interaction, you can complete the work, right? So when we talk about again manual database, difficult to search for a specific criteria. Every record would have to be manually read. Can easily search for a specific criteria in electronic database. Then manual database changes have to be done manually, can make it hard to read and understand. But it's not like that in electronic database. Can easily update or amend the data or record instantly in electronic database. So I hope that you got a very clear idea when we compare the manual database and electronic database. Yes, so throughout this lesson we learn what is a database. So it was a small introduction about a database, and we compare the manual and electronic database. So I have listed down the sum as the main points for summary, right? So purpose of the database is to store data in relation to a particular purpose for maintaining and accessing data systematically and easily. Then we discuss about the manual database is a paper-based record keeping system. Finally, we discuss about an electronic database is one that is computerized and can be accessed or changed using computer applications. So I hope that you learn the basic information about the databases. Watch the next video to learn more on database. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful tips. Our channel name is Computer Science and ICT, and don't forget to press the bell button to receive more new notifications. And thank you for watching.